What if everything you know about Earth is wrong? Not a little wrong, completely wrong. Right now, you're standing on a giant rock hurtling through space at 67,000 miles per hour. At least, that's what science says. But what if Earth isn't a sphere at all? What if it's flat, a giant cosmic disk floating in space? Now, before you dismiss this, I'm not saying the Earth is flat. I'm saying let's actually test the idea properly. Because if Earth were flat, reality would start breaking in measurable ways. Let's start with the Sun. Flat Earth models claim the Sun is only a few thousand miles above us, moving in circles like a spotlight. Sounds simple enough, but here's the problem. If the Sun were that close, different places on Earth would see it from completely different angles at the same time. And we've measured this for over 2,000 years. A Greek mathematician named Eratosthenes proved something incredible using only 2 sticks and shadows. No satellites, no computers, just geometry. And he calculated the Earth's circumference with surprising accuracy. Now let's talk about gravity. On a round Earth, gravity pulls everything toward the center. That's why down feels the same everywhere you go. But on a flat disk, gravity would pull toward the center of the disk, meaning people near the edges would feel slightly tilted all the time. Oceans would slowly drift inward. Air would behave differently, but that's not what we observe. Now look at ships on the horizon. A ship doesn't just get smaller as it leaves. The bottom disappears first, then the top. If Earth were flat, it would just shrink into a dot. But it doesn't. It sinks out of view from the bottom up. Now look at the night sky. Travel north or south, and the stars change completely. Different hemispheres, different constellations. If Earth were flat, everyone would see the same sky everywhere, but they don't. Now GPS, Google Maps, flight navigation, shipping routes, all of it depends on calculations based on a spherical Earth. If Earth were flat, these systems wouldn't be slightly wrong. They would fail completely. Your location wouldn't work properly. Flights wouldn't reach their destinations, but they do, every single day. So what are we left with? Either the entire world is part of an impossible conspiracy, or the explanation is simpler. The Earth isn't a disk. It's not a debate. It's a planet, a round object, spinning quietly through space. And whether we like it or not, that's where the evidence leads.